Hi everyone, my name is Karina, and today we're going to be going over how to start a business as a medical billing coding specialist. So you're not stuck to the only option of having to work for someone else. You can also create your own firm. You can have an independent at-home company with the right qualifications, so it's definitely something to consider. The best way to start a business is to be an expert in your own field, so you would want to, number one, start with research. You want to research demand, competitors, you want to look at cost and expenses, your target audience, so doctor's offices, medical centers, and that's a perfect way to start. The second thing would be to learn about startup costs. So depending on the size and complexity of your firm, it could range from either $1,000 or $10,000 just to get it started. So it all depends on how you want to make it work. But either way, the essentials would be licensing and medical billing software, computer hardware, multifunctional, commercial copier, technical assistance. So these are just some ideas of what a big and small firm would need. The third thing would be get certified. You need to know a lot of information and you would need to get certified for this. So through courses such as the one we have here at K&G Career Academy, you're able to learn all this information. So our course is online, it's 8 weeks, self-paced, so you could get it done faster, but it's usually around 8 weeks. It's very user-friendly. We have payment plans available if needed, so we're very affordable, and we're also reliable. We're nationally approved, so it's definitely a good idea to get certified. The fourth thing would be to create a business plan. So you want to have at least 10 years worth of ideas and strategy in advance, which seems like it would be a lot, but it's definitely very, very necessary. You want to think about the medical billing services that you want to concentrate on, what the target market wants in a medical billing firm. So you want to see what the consumers would want. Some questions to think about would be, do you want to work remotely or do you want to work in a local office? Are you focused on creating a franchise? What's your ideal business size? Will you collaborate with other medical billers? So those are just some things to consider, but there's definitely a lot more that you need to put into it. But just answering these few questions could give you a spark and some ideas for how you want to go about your business plan. The fifth thing would be to apply for a business license, whether you're working from home or if you're in an office. Either way, you need a business license. And along with that, you can't forget to register for taxes by applying for an employer identification number. The sixth thing would be to choose the right software solution. Medical billing nowadays is obviously electronic, so you want to find the right medical billing software for your firm. And things to consider would be price, how user-friendly is it reliable, you want to look at the reviews. Those are just some things to consider, but it can definitely vary based on the firm, so just choose which one would be compatible. The seventh thing would be the marketing strategy. Every business needs marketing, otherwise you're not gonna get any clients. So you want to pay attention to your ideal client. What would they want in the best medical billing firm, and you want to try and reach that goal. What is your competitor doing? If you want to make some comparisons and you want to try and do better than your competitor, it's important to look at what they're doing. And you also want to look at the trends. You want to be very up to date. The eighth thing would be networking. This is the final thing on our list. It's what makes your business grow since you're building relationships. So it brings a lot of trust to your business. So hopefully this helped give an idea of how to start a business as a medical billing and coding specialist. And although it seems like a very, very long process, it's definitely worth your time, and anyone is capable of doing it as long as you have drive and determination.